Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss the angle on a straight line. So this is a geometrical fact that we ought to know. Angle on a straight line is always 180 degrees, and this is reflected by this diagram on your slide. Now that alone may not be very interesting fact, but it leads to very interesting facts. For example, if we split this angle into multiple angles, then the sum of these angles will still be 180 degrees. So that's common sense. But it is vital to remember that all these angles must all originate from the same point. Otherwise, the sum will not be 180 degrees. For instance, in this case, there are two angles, but they are not originating from the same point. So the sum is not 180 degrees. Now, if we understand this fact, we can use this to find a missing angle on a straight line. For example, in this figure. So in this case, all but one angle, which is angle B, are known. So we have to figure out what is the value or what is the magnitude of this angle B. So we sum up all the angles and we know that they equal 180 degrees. Then to figure out B, we make B the subject of the equation. If you don't know how to make B the subject, watch an earlier video on how to make a subject. Basically, we isolate B on the left side. Then we do some calculations and we figure out that the angle B turns out to be 72 degrees. So note the symbol we use to denote an angle in trigonometry is like a less than sign. So hope that's clear, and we'll see you in the next video.